Today's class I am going to teach about how to write the Verilog HDL code for implementation of logic gate using 2:1 mux. So this video I concentrate 3 logic gates: AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. The detailed explanation already I posted in the video. If you need it, kindly refer the channel. So now we move on the session. So first I draw the implementation diagram for AND gate. So it's a 2:1 mux. A is the selection line, this one is output and 0 B, so it's the input value, so I0 and I1. Then come to OR gate. So A is the selection line, output OR, so I0 and I1, so I0 is connected to B and I1 is connected to 1. So last gate is NOT gate. So 2:1 mux. Y is the output, A is the selection line, and A value equal to 0. So first one is connected to 1, A value equal to 1, then I1 is connected to 0. So it's the implementation diagram for a logic gate. So the detailed explanation already I post. If you need it, kindly refer the video. So as usual, you first write module, then module name. So implement logic gate. So it's a module name, IMPLOGATE. So it's a module name. So within a bracket, you mention the variables. So A comma B, output AND gate, output OR gate. So this one represent output NOT gate. So output NOT gate. So these are the variables used in the implementation diagram. Then declaration of input and output variables. So first declare input variable. So here input variable is A and B. So A comma B. So these two variable consider as a input variable. Then come to output. So remaining these three variables consider as output variables. Output AND, comma, output OR, output NOT. So these three outputs stored in the register. So rich, output AND, output OR and output NOT operation. Then always at A comma B. The output values is changed based on the A value and B value. So here within a bracket mention A comma B. Then begin. Now check the condition. So when A value equal to 0, so I0 is connected to output. When A equal to 1, I1 is connected to output. So if A equal to 1 tick B 0. So in this case A value is set to be 0. Now check the output of AND gate. So output of AND gate 1 tick B 0. So this 0 is connected to output of AND gate. Then output of OR gate. So output of OR gate is B. So B value is connected to output of OR gate. So B. Output of NOT gate. So output of NOT gate equal to 1. So 1 tick B 1. So when A equal to 0, so AND gate output is 1 tick B 0, OR gate output is B, NOT gate output is 1 tick B 1. Then end. Else, suppose A value equal to 1. So in this case, begin. Output AND gate equal to B. So AND gate output is B when A value equal to 1. Then output OR gate equal to 1. So 1 tick B 1. Then output NOT gate. So output NOT gate equal to 0. So 1 tick B 0. Then end. So one more end for this begin. and then n module. So n module. So this is the simple program for implementation of logic gate using 2:1 mux. So I hope you understand the concept very well. If you are watching first time in my video, kindly subscribe and support us to make a lot of videos. Thanks for watching my channel. Thank you.